Here's your 2017 Flip Chip Blue Buick Cascada. This Cascada comes with a 2.0 liter turbo engine and has jet black leather heat resistant interior. Also has 19-inch wheels. As we open the door and enter the Cascada, we see the jet black leather interior throughout the vehicle. A look at the steering wheel, which is leather wrapped, and we see Bluetooth controls, cruise control, radio volume, and forward collision alert controls on the wheel. As we look at the color touchscreen powered by Buick IntelliLink, comes with features such as XM radio, OnStar, and is a wireless hotspot with 4G LTE strength for up to 7 devices at once. And lastly, here we see the rear view camera. The convertible top opens up while we drive down the road up to about 30 miles an hour as well. Ooh, feel that breeze. Maria, please contact me, Jeff Waterhouse, at 561-278-3217, extension 2641. So I can show you the Flip Chip Blue Cascada. Have a good day.